Today we will create this text animation on our channel Think Sci-Fi. Clear your environment by pressing X. Add a plane by pressing Shift A. Scale it by pressing S10. Go to the top view by pressing the key just below the escape key. Add a text by pressing Shift A and go to the text setting. Select center in the horizontal and bottom in the vertical. Hide the plane if required. Now press Tab key for the edit mode and enter your text. Again press Tab for object mode and enter another text. Select center in both horizontal and verticals and enter your text by following the same process. You can use as many as text you required, but I am using only 3. Follow the same process, just select top in the verticals. Change the name of the text, otherwise it may create problem to you in future. Select any of the text and go to the font in the text setting, and you can select any font or you can download it also. You can assign same font or give different font to the other text. Go to the geometry setting and extrude the text little bit and provide some depth to it. Do the same process with the other 2 font also. You can make animation with the letter spacing also. We will make some adjustment in the offset XY and the scale of the text. Make adjustment in all the 3 text if required. You can make adjustment in X and Y and scale in the object property also. Unhide the plane and go to the object property and set the text on the top of the plane. Make the same adjustment with the other 2 text also. Go to the top view and add a Bezier circle by pressing Shift A. Press S and scale the Bezier circle. Then press Shift SY to reduce the scale value in the Y axis only. Add a camera by pressing Shift A. Then press 0 for the camera view. Then G and middle mouse button and drag your mouse backward. Adjust the angle of a camera. Then go to the camera setting and reduce the focal length. Again scale the Bezier circle outside the camera view. Go to the object property of a camera and make everything 0 except Z location. Add a point light by pressing Shift A. Go to the constraint setting and add a follow path. Select Bezier circle in target. This will set your point light on the Bezier circle. Now if you move the offset, the light move in the Bezier circle path. Go to the render view and make the world completely black. Increase the strength of point light up to 500 watt. Select the plane and apply a material to it. Select whatever color you want. Just increase the roughness completely. Now select the circle, go to the render setting and change its Z location and see what amount of shadow you like. Before adding any animation, first of all go to the edit preferences and make sure default interpolation is linear. Now select the point light and go to the constraint setting Go to the 0 in the timeline. We will add a 150 frame of animation on the timeline and make frame rate 30. It will create 5 second animation. Now go to the 0 on the timeline and enter keyframe in the offset. Go to the last frame in the timeline and enter 100 in the offset and enter keyframe. This will create this shadow movement animation. If you want to download it or many more projects like this, I will provide my Shutterstock portfolio link in the description so that you can download it from there. Add some material to the text also. Change the name of the text also because it will apply on the other two text also. Just increase the metallic little bit and make it completely white. Select other two text and apply the same material to it. Again go to the edit preferences animation and now select bounce in the default interpolation. Again go to the 0 in the timeline and select camera and go to the object property. Go as close as toward the text by decreasing the value of Z location. Enter the keyframe in location Z and rotation Z. Go to the last frame in the timeline and increase the value of Z location and enter keyframe. Then add some rotation value to the Z location and enter keyframe. If you are getting something valuable from it, then please subscribe to my channel. Now our animation is done. You can decorate your animation by flower or heart. There are many videos on YouTube from where you can learn creating that also. You can adjust the circle if required. These are some settings which make your render good. But it will look best in cycle. I will render it in EV only. To render it in video form, follow the same steps. If you want to render it in 4K value, just change the percentage up to 200. Then render animation. Thank you for watching.